What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this from scratch. I almost dropped this damn thing. What is this? This is spaghetti sauce. And instead of using this for your spaghetti, we're going to be using these. Tomato sauce, crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, and diced tomatoes. Now, why make your own? Because this has 410 milligrams of sodium in it. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there, 410 milligrams. I don't want that, you don't want that, maybe you want that, but I sure as hell don't. Now, the thing about making your own spaghetti sauce is you can do whatever you want to it. You can add mushrooms, you can add not tomatoes. You can add green peppers, red peppers, garlic, whatever you want. And the best thing about this is you can impress your friends and family, because I know damn well that making your own sauce is going to taste way better than this. So let's get started. so much for watching this video. Please be sure to click that like button. Share this video with your family and friends. And I know it takes a little bit of time and effort to make spaghetti sauce, but I guarantee you it tastes way better than this here. And there's nothing wrong with this. I mean, my wife and I, we're going to use this eventually. It's not like we're going to waste it, but every once in a while, it's good to make your own things, homemade things. Don't forget to tag your family and friends either. Tag Olive Garden if you want to. Olive Garden, your sauce sucks. Just kidding. I love you, Olive Garden. See you guys next time.